Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 CNC spindle kits. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, R20 CNC Router Milling Kit. Specifications. Brand name, Rat Motor. Drive, motor. Operating speed, 10 to 24,000 revolutions per minute. Cooling, air-cooled. Phase, 3. Frequency, 400 Hz. Collet, PR20. Voltage, 220 volts. Spindle size, 80 by 230 millimeters. Power, 2.2 kilowatt. Bearing, 4 PCS, C7005X2 plus C7002X2. Product number 4, G-Penny 2.2 kilowatts ER20 metal spindle. Specifications. Brand name, G-Penny machine. Drive, motor. Maximum torque, 1.0 Nm. Operating speed, 6,000 to 12,000 revolutions per minute. Application, milling. Size, 80 by 249 millimeters. Voltage, 220 V, 380 volts. Current, 10 amperes. Power, 2.2 kilowatt. Cooling, water-cooled. Collet, PR20. Frequency, 400 Hz, 800 Hz. Pole, 4. Inverter type, 2.2 kilowatt, 1000 Hz. Product number 3, 1500W CNC Spindle Motor. Specifications. Model number, HTZ80-1.5. Maximum torque, 0.6 Nm. Application, milling. Rated power, 1.5 kilowatt, 1500 watts. Working voltage, 220 volts. Max rotate speed, 24,000 revolutions per minute. Collet standard, ER11. Clamp size, 80 millimeters. Product number 2, 2.2 kW CNC Spindle Motor. Specifications. Brand name, HLTNC. Model number, HTZ80X73-2.2. Drive, motor. Maximum torque, 0.9 Nm. Power, 2.2 kilowatts, 2,200 watts. Voltage, 220 volts. Torque, 0.9 Nm. Max speed, 24,000 revolutions per minute. Chuck standard, ER11, ER20 optional. Product number 1, CNC Spindle Motor. Specifications. Brand name, HTNC. Drive, motor. Maximum torque, 0.9 Nm. Operating speed, 24,000 revolutions per minute. Power, 2.2 kilowatt. Voltage, optional 110 volts, 220 volts. Origin, China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.